If you're looking for a Coursera AI career path step by step, you're in the right place. Whether you're starting from scratch or want to use AI to grow your career, this roadmap will help you build valuable skills in the right order. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Step 1 is to build a strong AI foundation. If you're completely new to artificial intelligence, start with beginner-friendly courses like AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.AI or Google. Introduction to AI. These courses explain core AI concepts, responsible AI, and real-world applications without requiring any programming experience. Step 2 is to develop practical AI skills. One of the best programs for this is the AI Mastery for Professional Specialization from Vanderbilt University. This highly rated specialization teaches you how to use generative AI, design AI agents, create reusable AI workflows, and turn prompts into reports, dashboards, and productivity tools you can use in real work. It also includes the popular Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT course, making it an excellent next step for professionals who want practical AI skills instead of just theory. Step 3 is to earn an industry-recognized credential. Google's AI courses and the Google AI Professional Certificate help you build job-ready AI skills, including prompt engineering, AI-powered productivity, and practical business applications. A certificate from Google is a valuable addition to your resume and shows employers that you've developed skills from one of the world's leading technology companies. Following this learning path gives you a solid understanding of AI, practical experience using today's most important AI tools, and recognized certificates that can strengthen your career. If you're planning to complete several courses or specializations, buying them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is the smarter choice for most learners. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Vanderbilt University, Meta, and many other top institutions. You'll also earn certificates for eligible programs at no extra cost. If you're serious about building an AI career in 2026, this Coursera learning path is one of the best places to start. If you found this roadmap helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.